السلام عليكم طلاب الصف الخامس. الفيديو هذا راح يكون عن تحويل وحدات القياس Convert metric units, customary units and time. Okay, measurement unit. تذكير عام: when we convert from large to small we multiply. When we convert from smaller units to larger units we divide. عند التحويل من وحدة قياس كبيرة إلى صغيرة نقوم بعملية الضرب، ومن الصغير إلى الكبير نقوم بعملية القسمة. Here 1 year سنة واحدة equals to 12 months. 1 month has 30 days. 1 day has 24 hours. And 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. If we go to customary units, الوحدات القياس المألوفة أو المعروفة في بعض دول العالم مثل الولايات المتحدة. أكبر وحدة largest unit is mile for length. For length we use mile, yard, foot, inch. From mile to yard there is 1760. From 1 yard to 1 foot we multiply by 3, and from foot to inch we multiply by 12. If you go backward from smaller to greater or larger, you divide. What are the measurement units of weight? الوزن we use ton, pound, ounce. ounce اللي هي الأوقية. pound ما يعادل نصف كيلوغرام. ton, from ton to pound 2000 we multiply 2000. From pound to ton we divide by 2000. Okay, what are the measurement units of volume? We have gallon equals to 4 quarts. From quart to pint we multiply by 2, and from pint to cup we multiply by 2. But from cup to fluid ounce we multiply by 8. And when you convert from small to large you divide. Just to remind you of units. Here metric units اللي احنا نستخدمها في دولنا العربية وكل العالم. هي قياسية مستخدمة في كل العالم. The units of length are kilometer. When you change it to meter you multiply by 1000. From meter to centimeter by 100. From centimeter to millimeter by 10. So units of weight وحدات الوزن we use kilogram, gram, milligram. So the difference between each one each two is 1000. Volume we use kiloliter, liter and milliliter, and the difference between two units is 1000. So now you remember them and you can study on them before exam to use them when you have a question in this regard. نبدأ بحل الأسئلة إن شاء الله. Let us read question number 9. A garden has an area of 1/10 acre. هاي هي حديقة مساحتها كاملة 1/10 acre، يعني 1/10 من الدنم. ماشي. What fraction of an acre is each of the 4 sections? مساحتها كاملة 1/10. بدنا نقسمها إلى 4 أقسام. And we need to find the fraction of each section. We divided it into 4 sections. Let us start. So we write the equation of division. It is division. 1/10 divided by 4 equal. 4 is the divisor. We can write the problem using multiplication, so we write it again 1/10 multiply, and we convert 4. 4 is a fraction of 4 over 1. We convert or we write the reciprocal if you remember. أو الكسر المقلوب. It is 1 over 4 equal. Now it is easy to find the answer. 1 times 1 equal 1. 4 times 10 equal 40. So each section is 1/40. Okay, 1/40. Sorry, 1 over 40. 1 over 40. So we did this question. Let us go to this question. First you have to read the question carefully. أول شيء تعمله تقرأ السؤال بحذر عشان تعرف إذا هو ضرب أو قسمة أو زائد أو ناقص. لا تعتمد دائما قسمة، احتياط. Mia has half pound of cheese. ميا عندها نصف باوند من الجبنة. To be split equally. Split equally يعني مقسم بشكل متساوي into 6 small boxes. So it is division. So we write it 1/2 or 1 over 2 divided by 6 equal. I write it using multiplication. 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 6. I write the reciprocal of the divisor. دائما نكتب الكسر المقلوب للمقسوم عليه العدد الثاني. العدد الأول نبقيه بدون تغيير. Now we divide or multiply. Sorry, 1 times 1 equal 1 over 12. So the answer, and this is the operation we used, and this is the operation we used. Okay, let us find them. So this is the first answer, because see here, circle all correct choices. So you have more than one correct answer. لما يقول لك circle all correct choices معناته في أكثر من خيارين أو 3. طيب شو استخدمنا العملية؟ العملية اللي استخدمناها هي قسمة وحولناها إلى ضرب. خلينا نبحث عن هايها موجودة F. تمام، الآن جاوبنا السؤال. Let us go to the other one. Let us answer this question. The price of a scarf is 1/3 of the price of a jacket. عندك وشاح ثمنه ثلث ثمن الجاكيت. The price of the jacket is $45. Okay, which expression or expressions be used to find the price of a scarf? شو هي العملية نستخدمها؟ الآن ثمن الجاكيت $45. ثمن المعطف هو ثلث ثمن الجاكيت، يعني بدنا نقسم الجاكيت إلى 3 أقسام عشان نجد ثمن الوشاح السكارف. ماشي، إذا أول هي قسمة. Okay, so what is the other operation we use? Because it says circle all correct choices. إذا في جواب آخر. لما نقدر نحولها إلى ضرب. 45 times and do the reciprocal here 1 over 3. So find this operation. It is here. So now we answer this question. Let us move to the next page. خلينا نروح على الصفحة الثانية. Here is easy for you if you remember these slides. يكون سهل عندك إذا أنت تدرب نفسك على هذه الشرائح، كيف تحول وكم قيمة كل واحدة بالنسبة للأخرى. Here I need to convert from inch to feet. Inch is small, feet is larger, so from small to large. Let us go to remember from inch to feet. Here, from inch to feet, I divide by 12, but here I use division. I divide by 12. Okay, let us go down. So the problem will be, or the operation will be 36 divided by 12. You can find the answer by yourself using multiplication, or you divide directly. What is the number I multiply by 12 that gives me 36? It is 3. So 36 inch equals to 3 foot or feet, no problem. Here I want to change it from ton to pound. Let us go up to the guide we have here. Okay, from ton to pound, from large to small, I multiply by 2000. So 2 multiplied by 2000 equal 4,000 pounds. So the answer here is 4,000 pounds. For this question, I want to convert from pint to gallon. Let us go up. It's from customary units. From pint to gallon. It's from smaller to larger, so I use division. The first time I divide by 2, and then I divide by 4. Or you can multiply this number. 2 times 4 equal 8. So I can say 16 divided by 2, then divided by 4. Or you can do it directly. 2 times 4 equal 8. You can say 16 divided by 8, and you will get the same answer. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Divided by 4 is 2. So the answer is 2 gallons. Let us divide directly. When you go here from pint to gallon, you multiply, divide by 2 and then divide by 4. So 2 times 4 equal 8. So we divide directly. 16 divided by 8 equal 2. So we get the same answer. You can do this way or this other way. Okay. Last question on this page is from ounce. OZ means ounce. From ounce to pound. Let us go to the slide. From ounce to pound. From smaller to greater, so it is division by 16. So we divide by 16. So 48 divided by 16 equal. So you have to use long division, or you can do it mentally in your mind. So 48 divided by 16 equal 3. So 48 ounces equal to 3 pounds. You can use long division. 48 divided by 16, and you can guess the 2 or 3 and try. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and 1 above. 3 times 3 times 1 equal 3, and plus 1 equal 4. When you use subtraction, you finish with 0. So the answer is 3 pounds. Here we are going to use conversion of time. YR means year, sana. MO means month, shahr. Let us go to the time slide. So how many months in a year? 12. From year to month. So from larger to small, we multiply by 12. So 3 multiplied by 12 equal 36 months. Okay, let us convert hours to minute, from large to smaller, because hour is larger than minute. How many minutes in 1 hour? If you remember, it is 60, so we multiply by 60. 4 multiplied by 60